Hello everyone, this is a video short for calculating net force. A simple way to calculate the net force is to remember that the forces acting on the opposite directions always reduce the net force acting on the object. Let's take a look at an example. A box is being pulled by a force of 500 newtons and there is 100 newtons of frictional force being applied to the box in the opposite direction. So to calculate the net horizontal force, we'll use the formula F net is equals to F minus F, where the capital F is the force that the box has been pulled with, and the small f is the frictional force that is acting on the box. And we subtract the frictional force because it is acting in the opposite direction. So we get the net force to be 400 newtons. So we can say that the net horizontal force that is acting on this box is of 400 newtons. Thank you for watching.